Hi, today I am going to show you how to design and model a water tap, plastic water tap cap. So this is how I have designed already. So I started with this. So let's go into how to make a mold for this particular cap. So if you are using cryo, just you can open it, the model, and locate the model in the molding option, manufacturing and mold cavity. So once you bring the model, and then you have to add the shrinkage value. In this case it is made up out of polypropylene, so I have included the shrinkage value of 2%. So then you can make the core cavity insert. So the core cavity insert, I am going to use the round type insert for this particular mold, and I have made the parting line. So this separates the cavity part and core part. So I generated the chill-out curve, which is going to be the parting line for this particular mold, and I have extended the parting line surfaces and closed the internal loops which is required to differentiate between core and cavity. And I have made a cutout of the part which is exactly making the same impression of your part into this particular cavity which we have done. And I am splitting the mold. So the mold has been split into two, so where you come up with the core and core type inserts. So this grooves is meant for making a cooling line, and I have added different inserts. I can explain you. So this is the cavity insert. So this insert can be machined and sparked, and here comes the cooling groove and the o-ring which we have to use it to ensure the water is not leaking. Similarly, we have the core insert which is coming. So initially we make this core and cavity inserts from the cryo mold option. So once after it, I made a design assembly for the mold. So this is the design assembly for mold. Here comes the core side assembly. So the core side assembly has the features and the inserts. This is the 4 cavity mold. So the water cooling line, it goes towards here and rotates and goes through this cavity, so and get an exit over here. So this mold part is ejected using a sleeve ejector. So this you can see, this is the sleeve, and this is the core part which is attached to the back plate, and you have a sleeve over here which is used to eject the piece which is molded. So this layout of Mould is basically a 300 by 300 mm, and it's very made it as a very simple design so that the manufacturing is easy. So you can see here the cooling line, how it works. And the cavity side assembly. The part is ejected like this. So it pushes the part out of this core area and the part drops down. Okay, thank you.